Good morning, this is Connor from 0DTE Traders here to present our market minute for February 14th, 2024. It is 11:40 and the SPX is trading higher, up 0.5% to 49.75. So a bit of a bullish tone to markets here this morning, bouncing back after yesterday's rout. We got Qs up 0.5 and Russell leading on the upside, up 1.5%. Bitcoin, which is a good risk-on, risk-off indicator, is higher here this morning. Bitcoin up 4%. The dollar is easing slightly, down 0.1, while treasury yields are also backing off, led by the front end of the curve. So generally a bullish indication. VIX, a measure of market volatility, is down about 7% here, sub 15. VIX had a huge spike yesterday, although we saw that quickly get sold back down to earth, back to that 15 handle ahead of option expiration today at 9:30. That has already happened. Max pain was 15, and what do you know? It basically settled at the 15 handle. We've seen some vol contraction here. Also a bit of a spike, but continues to hold below that 15 handle. So resistance, if the market continues to move lower, right, implied vol moves lower, it will provide support to the upside. Conversely, if we break that 15 handle and we get a resurgence in vol, it will be an exacerbating factor. Definitely something you want to pay very close attention to, particularly given the zone we're in. So we highlighted this yesterday on our market minute, and it really remains unchanged. So we got 5,000 is the big positive gamma strike. Above, all strikes are positive, so the market is supported. Dips are going to get bought. You're going to get lower volatility, more mean reversion type action. And then you have sort of this neutral mixed type zone between below 5,000 to about 49.50. And that's where we're trading here this morning. No clear control. And then below our flip of 49.45, all strikes are negative. So that's when we'll start to see some material negative gamma, higher implied volatility, and realized vol. So just more trending type action, larger trading ranges. And it's a little bit more difficult to trade, but there is a lot of opportunity when in negative gamma. So essentially, this is giving us an indication of the regime, right? Positive gamma, call dominated, buy the dips. Negative gamma, put dominated, sell the rips. Now that's a little bit of an oversimplification, but that's generally a good way to view it. So as of right now, we have a gap on the downside. It looks like we might be rolling over here. Who knows? But we got the next major support is 49.50, and then the flip of 49.45, very significant level. A break below opens the door back down to yesterday's low of 49.20. So this support zone down here. Conversely, on the upside, we got ES 5000. This is SPX 49.84. A little bit of a false break there this morning. And then we got that big 5,000 handle on the upside. Internals are actually quite bullish, right? So we got positive volume on NYSE, NASDAQ, ADD plus 1,500. So breadth is there. Russell 2000 is outperforming. But what may be limiting upside here is the fact that mega caps are underperforming, or you can say mixed. Like growth is technically green here, but then you got Google, Microsoft, Apple, slightly red. So kind of more neutral on a net basis. And then VIX. VIX is an exacerbating factor. Something to pay attention to. Clearly we saw it influence price action yesterday, and the fact that OPEX is now behind us, we could start to see VIX implied vol move a little bit more freely. And that could be in both directions. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. If you're not a member and you're interested in learning more, you can visit our website at 0dtetraders.com. Best of luck out there today.